Hi everyone, welcome back to Explorer Alicia, and today we are going to explore Madurai Meenakshi Temple. The Madurai Meenakshi Temple, also known as Meenakshi Amman Temple, has a fascinating story rooted in Hindu mythology and history. According to legend, King Malyadhwaj Pandya and Queen Kachanamalai of Madurai prayed for a child and were blessed with a girl who had three breasts. A divine voice told them that the third breast would disappear when she met her future husband. They named her Meenakshi. Meenakshi grew up as a skilled warrior and eventually set out to conquer the world. In her quest, she encountered Lord Shiva. Upon meeting him, her third breast disappeared, signifies that Shiva was her destined husband. Meenakshi and Shiva returned to Madurai and their grand wedding, known as Tirukalyanam, was celebrated. The divine union is a significant event in the temple's history. The temple's origins date back to the Pandya dynasty, but it underwent significant expansions and renovations during the Nayak rule in the 16th and 17th century. The temple is renowned for its stunning Dravidian architecture, including its carvings, towering gopurams, gateway towers, and the Hall of Thousand Pillars. The Meenakshi Temple is a hub of cultural and religious activities. The Meenakshi Tirukalyanam festival celebrating the divine marriage attracts devotees and tourists from all over. The temple's distinct architectural style and historical significance have made it a symbol of Tamil culture and heritage. The temple has two main sanctums, one dedicated to Meenakshi, a form of goddess Parvati, and the other to Sundareshwarar, a form of Lord Shiva. Hall of Thousand Pillars, a famous feature of the temple. This hall has intricately carved pillars, each unique in its design. The temple history dates back over 2500 years with significant contribution from various dynasties, especially the Pandya and Nayak dynasties. The temple complex is adorned with intricate sculptures and large pictures painted on the wall that narrate various stories and legends. How to reach Madurai Meenakshi Temple? By air. Madurai Airport is well connected to major cities in India. The temple is about 11 km away from the airport, and you can hire a taxi or take a bus to reach the temple. By train, Madurai Junction is a major railway station with direct trains from all major cities in India. From the station, you can take an auto rickshaw, taxi, or bus to the temple. By road, buses from nearby cities and towns frequently run to Madurai. If you are driving, you can reach Madurai via well maintained highways and roads. Temple timings: Morning darshan 7:15 am to 10:30 am. Afternoon darshan 11:15 am to 12:30 pm. Evening darshan 4:30 pm to 7:30 pm. And night darshan 8:15 pm to 9:30 pm. The temple is closed from 12:30 pm to 4 pm for lunch and cleaning. Very important information: mobile phones and cameras are not allowed inside the Madurai Meenakshi temple. To maintain the sanctity and security of the temple, visitors are required to deposit their electronic devices at a locker facility located near the entrance. There is a nominal fee for this service, and you will be given a receipt to reclaim your items after your visit. Dress code for men: men are expected to wear full pants or a white dhoti, half pants, colored lungis, Bermuda shorts, and caps are not allowed. A shirt or t-shirt is mandatory. Sleeveless shirts are not allowed. For women, women can wear a sari or salwar. Pants and skirts are not allowed. Leggings can be worn under a kurta or long skirt. A dupatta is recommended, and sleeveless tops are not allowed inside the temple. Shoes and sandals must be removed before entering the temple premises. Lockers are available at the entrance to store footwear. Other details I shared in my description. Videos are made up of lots of efforts. I am personally visiting the temples and collecting information about the temples from locals and also referring the internet for true information. I request to subscribe and comment on my videos so that my efforts will reach to lots of people.